When the internet first started, there were a few lucky people who were able to take its full potential and made a lot of money out of it. These online businessmen pioneers were there to see how powerful the internet can be and took advantage of it right away. Today, however, you will see that almost every type of online businesses is congested. There are simply too much competition and you need to double your efforts in order for your online business to stand out from the rest. If you want to make money online today, then you may want to try out new forms of income-making businesses from the internet. So, just what are the new ways to make money online? First of all, if you have a new kind of online business that only few people know about, then you can be sure that you will be able to take a big slice of the big pie. In the internet, being the first is the one who will always profit. You should be able to take advantage of something that has potential early on in order for you to avoid a lot of competition. So, here are some of the new ways to make money online. The first is by becoming an online stock or forex trader. Thanks to the power of the internet, the stock market and the forex market have made available for everyone to trade. Also, you don't even need to have hundreds of thousands of dollars in order for you to start investing in the stock market or even in the forex market. With a few $100s, you can start trading. Today, you will see that there are quite a lot of online stock and forex brokerage websites that offer online stock or forex trading. What you need to do is sign up with the website, open an account, invest a minimum amount of money, and start trading. All these things can happen right at the comforts of your own home. As you can see, you don't need to be on the market floor to trade, and you don't even have to own a multinational company to do so. With a computer with an active internet connection and some money to invest, you will be able to start trading stocks or currency. Another new way to make money online is by becoming a blogger. Many companies today are now trying to outsource manpower because it is a lot cheaper and more efficient to do so. Besides, by outsourcing things that are not really that vital for the company, you will be able to free up more office space that can be used for things that are vital for the survival of the company, such as expanding the research and development department. Bloggers are one of the positions that companies today outsource. Although it is not really an important part of the company, you have to remember that many people today are now visiting the World Wide Web. Even if a company is already well known and has a steady flow of consumers, you have to remember that they will do whatever it takes in order to get more people to buy from them. So, because people are constantly visiting the internet today, companies will hire bloggers to write about their products and posting it on various websites that are owned by the company. The great thing about being a blogger is that the pay is actually quite good, and you will be able to work right at the comforts of your own home. As you can see, there are quite a lot of ways to earn money online. These are just some of the new forms of income-generating jobs and businesses from the internet that you can try.